Hello everyone, my name is Mutijima Ilene and welcome to the LWD September Month Review. A month full of learning, growth and impact across our communities. We began this month on September 3rd by welcoming KICAB and Marta from Plan International Rwanda for their second visit to the Bike for Future project. They meet our girls at the bike shop at Nyamata and TVET school who are breaking gender stereotypes in mechanics and welding, and they were impressed by the remarkable progress of the Bike for Future cycling team. And on September 8th, LWD joined the partners in Gakenke District for the LIFT project meeting, which aims to bring school dropout back to education using our motto Masenge behalf. Then came a very special moment on 12th September, which LWD Plan International Rwanda and Bike for Future cycling team joined the UCI social life during the UCI LWD Championship. Our trained bicycle mechanics girls supported in the bike checking, maintenance and repairs, proudly showing their professional skills on international stage. We are especially thankful to the Bike for the World and Bike Not Bombs, whose donated bicycles were among those used and rented out during the social ride, making our participation possible and meaningful. It was an historic moment as Rwanda became the first country in Africa to host the UCI World Championship, inspiring many young cyclists across the continent. On September 22, LWD hosted an online presentation of Masenge Hafi model to LIFT partners from Gakenke District, sharing how the model is about to use in reducing school dropout rates in Gakenke District. And on September 24, we held a media tour in Bugesera District where journalists and Plan International Rwanda country director visited the Bike for Future shop and meet our young women trainees in tailoring, cycling, mechanics and welding, witnessing a real transformation in action. Then the month continued on September 25. A safe space in Rwamagana District hosted a visitors from our partner Bike for the World, where they learned how the Masenge Hafi program supports girls to build confidence, knowledge and life skills. Finally, on September 13th, we concluded the month with a meeting at Classic Hotel where LWD, Plan International Rwanda and SACCO representative reviewed the revolving fund guideline to enhance youth empowerment, financial inclusion and gender equality through the Bike for Future project. And that's all on our September 2025 review. Thank you to all our partners, communities and youth for making every step of this journey possible. Together we learn, work and develop. See you guys in October. Ciao.